This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing about subqueries. What is a subquery? A query within other query is known as subquery. A query within other query is known as subquery. That is, what is the exact meaning? A select query under where class of other select query. A select query under where class of other select query. That is called as a subquery. Subquery is an example for nested query. Remember, subquery is an example for nested query. One of the nested query. See, you are writing a select query and you are using condition. Conditions are writing under where class. Under that where class, you are writing a select query. That second select query under where class is called as a subquery. At what time we will use subqueries? Input value from one table and output is from another table. Input value from one table and output is from another table. In such a case, we will use subqueries. Unnecessarily don't use joins. Unnecessarily, if you use joins, it will decrease the performance of the query. It is decreasing the performance of the query. So what is the sample example for writing a subquery? Listen carefully. What is the department name of what is the department name of 7654? What is 7654? Employee number. Where is employee number? EMP table. What you are expecting? Department name. Where is department name? DEPT table. So employee number from EMP table, expecting output from DEPT table. In such a case, we will write a subquery. I am not getting data from two tables. I am getting data from DEPT, but I am depending on employee table value. Before selecting department name, I am depending on employee table value. In such a case, we will write a subquery. And remember, to write a subquery also, we need at least one common column. We need at least one common column. Otherwise, you are unable to write subquery. Listen, what is my question? Get department name of employee ID 7654. This is my question. Where is 7654? EMP. Go to EMP table. Go to input value table first. Select star from EMP. Find out 7654. Find out 7654. Yes, I found 7654. So in this record, definitely there should be department number. What is the department number? 30. So 7654 is working under 30. But I am expecting department name by taking this value, department number value. Go to department table. Go to department table. So select star from DEPT. Okay. In this department table, identify department number 30. Identify department number 30. Yes, it was identified. Okay. From that matched record, select department name. What is the department name? Sales. So to find out the output value, we are depending on common column value. Common column value is department number. I hope you understand. So first you are processing input table, input value table. Next you are processing output expecting table. So now come to here. So how to write a subquery? What is the syntax? Select data from table where condition. Condition, generally condition syntax is column name operator value. Column name operator value. Column name, you can use any of these operators, and value. Value we are getting from another table. Value we are getting from another table. How to select a value from second table? Select query. So under where clause of one select query, you are writing another select query. This is called as a subquery for this query, and this is called as a subquery for this query. So query within another query, it is known as a subquery. And what is the execution process? If I write a query like this, what is execution process? The execution process is like this. Execution process is like this. Innermost query to outermost query. First innermost query executed, value passed to outer query. Then outer query is executed, again value passed to next outer query. Then last outer query is executed. So this is the execution process of subquery. Here subqueries are two types. Subqueries are two types. Single row subquery, multi-row subquery. Single row subquery, multi-row subquery. We know this is a subquery. Yes, it is a subquery. If the subquery selecting data from single record, if the subquery selecting data from single record, then it is called as single row subquery. We can also say like this. If the subquery returns single output value, subquery returns single output value, it is called as a single row subquery. Or subquery selecting data from single record. Subquery selecting data from single record, then also it is known as single row subquery. In case if subquery returns multiple output values from each record, it will return one value. Remember, don't select multiple values, it's not valid. From each record, subquery returns one value. In case if the select query selecting data from multiple records, selecting the values from multiple records, then subquery is called as multi-row subquery. Again, what is single row subquery? It returns single output value, means selecting value from single record. Here I am writing that line, means selecting value from single record. That is called as single row subquery. Next one, multi-row subquery. Subquery returns multiple values, means selecting values from multiple records. Selecting values from multiple records. That is also called as multi-row subquery. Now let me go for practicals. What is a subquery? Select query under where class of other select query, known as a subquery. What is the execution process? Innermost query to outermost query. Here, for your purpose, I want to write some small hints. First one is based on input value, write inner query, means subquery. Based on input value, write inner query. Okay, inner query is nothing but subquery. Next one, based on output value, we can write output value, write outer query. These are the small hints to you. It's fixed, it will never change. Okay, now let me go for practicals. What is your requirement? Get department name of 7654. What is input value? 7654. Based on this, we can write subquery. From which table you are expecting output? From which table you are expecting output? Department table. Based on department table, write outer query. So first outer query, then inner query. But internally, first inner query executed, process coming to outer query. Select department name from DEPT. This is output table where the department number of the department equal to department number of 7654. Department number of 7654. How to select department number of 7654? Say, select department number from EMP where employee number is equal to 7654. Finish. So select depart. See, first which is executed? Inner query. Inner query. Here also, in whenever we have this requirement, manually, which table you are processing first? EMP. Why? In the EMP table we have input value 7654. In the manual process also, first you are processing inner table, means input value table. Understand? See, query typing is I am saying query typing is output table to input table. Typing, I am talking about typing. But internal execution is input table to output table. Remember, internal execution reverse. Typing is one way. Next one, listen carefully. One more question. Get employee names working under accounting department. Accounting department. Accounting, it's a department name. Input value. What is the output you are expecting? Employee names. So expecting only output from EMP. Right, see here, select, typing is output table to input table. Typing. Yeah. Select ename from EMP, where department number of employee is equal to department number of accounting. Select department number from DEPT, where department name is equal to accounting. These three people are working under accounting. If you have doubt, you can verify easily. See, accounting. What is accounting? 10. Go to here. Who is working under 10? So he is working under 10. Who is this guy? Clerk. Next, after clerk, I think king. Clerk, king. And also last one, Miller. Clerk, king, Miller. Clerk, king, Miller. See. So accounting, how many records matched? One record matched. So subquery selecting department number, subquery selecting department number only from one record. So subquery returns value from one record. It is called as a single row subquery. Now, next example. Somebody is asking a question. Hold on. Is it will work only if inner query have only when? Yes, exactly. You should select only one value in the inner query. Don't select multiple values in inner query. It's not required. In the inner query, except correlated subqueries I am talking about. In the inner query, you should select common column value. Next one. Let me take one more. Get department details of employees Smith and Scott. I am giving two employee names. What you are expecting? Department details. Select star from DEPT, where department number in. Why? Because inner query select department number of Smith and also department number of Scott. How many department numbers it is selecting? Inner query or subquery? Multiple department numbers. Whenever multiple values are coming into condition, in the condition we should use in operator. We should use in operator because equal to operator is able to compare with single value, but in operator is able to compare with multiple values. So select department number from EMP, where ename in Smith, comma Scott. So from two records, subquery selecting department number. From two records, subquery selecting department numbers. So if a subquery selecting data from multiple records, it is called as a multi-row subquery. Smith Scott, both are working under research. Both are working under research. Suppose if I change any one name, let me take Martin. I am changing Martin. See, Smith is working under 20. From the above output, we can understand it easily. Smith working under 20, Martin working under sales. I hope you understand. So this type of subquery is called as multi-row subquery. Next requirement, get employee details from the department sales, input value department name, output expecting from EMP table. So start from output table. Query typing, start from output table. Select star from EMP where department number equal to, select department number from DEPT where department name equal to sales. DEPTNO. By mistake I typed BETPNO. Spelling mistake, let me correct. DEPTNO. All people are working under one department, which is known as sales. If you have doubt, you can see here. What is the department number of sales? 30. So all people are working under 30 means working under sales. Next example. Get products information from the company Dell. From the company Dell, I need all product list. Output table product. Select star from product details where company code is equal to, select company code from company details where company name equal to Dell. So every product is from D303. D for Dell. D for Dell. Next one. Let me move into little bit more advanced. Same diagram I am using. Please be thorough with this diagram. What is my target is get account names of customer Vinod. Get account names of customer Vinod. Assume that, or otherwise, see, according to present diagram, get account names of Ajay. get account names of Ajay. So input value this table. Based on input, I will take customer number and coming into this table. It was matched and again it is matched here. See, and here also matched. Two FD accounts maintaining by same customer. Yes, you can maintain. And one savings account. Yes, it is also valid. So in these three matched records, take account types. Take the account types. By taking account type, identify account name in the last table. SB means savings account. FD means fixed account. Hope you understand from where you started and from at what place you stop that. From the input table, I am coming into middle table. From the middle table, we are going to last table and identify the names. So query typing should be, see, query processing is from input table to output table. Means here to here and from here to here. But query typing is reverse. From this table to here and also from this table to here. That is query typing. So let me type the question here. Get account names of customer Vinod. In my tables there is one customer name Vinod. Select account name from account types where account type in select account type from customer account details where customer number in select CNO from customer details where customer name is equal to Vinod. This is one subquery. After that, this is one more subquery. Hit. How many accounts maintaining by Vinod? 2 accounts. Savings account and trading account. Savings account and trading account. See, we can compare very easily. See here. Just minimize. What is happening? Select account name from account types. From this table, I am moving into this table. Here to here. If you want to move, you need a common column. Okay? See, where account type in, what is the common column? Account type. This is the common column. Account type in, account types from this table. See, select account type from customer account details and again from this table, from the middle table, I am going to this table based on which common value? CID. See, where customer number in select customer number from customer details where customer name equal to Vinod. Just a little bit practice is required for this. So in the next example, I'm going to in the next example, I want to combine subqueries and joins. Subqueries and joins. Okay, how it is. Get customer names, comma, account numbers and balances of customers who is maintaining savings bank account. Savings bank account. What is this input value? Account name. What you are expecting? Customer name, account number, balance. Come to see this picture. Input value savings account. This is input value. Based on this input value, what you are selecting? I want to display customer names, account numbers and balances. Listen carefully. You are using 3 tables, but you are getting output from 2 tables. I am expecting customer name, account number, balance. But before getting this 2 table data, I am depending on a value on third table. So on the third table, we should write subquery. And on the remaining 2 tables, we should write join query. On the basis of third table, we must write subquery. And on the basis of customer table and customer account details table, we should write join query. Here you are combining joins and subqueries. Let me type the query here only. What you are expecting? Select I need cd.cname, customer name, cad.account number, cad.account balance. From 2 tables I am selecting data. From what are the tables? Customer details CD, comma, customer account details CAD. What is the condition? Where under where clause we should filter data based on third table value. We should filter data based on third table value. So we must write subquery. First filter condition, next join condition. See, what is join condition? From these 2 tables, I am selecting data. From these 2 tables, I am selecting data. So what is the common column between these 2 tables? CID here. But in my table, CNO, cd.cno equal to cad.cno. Join condition okay. But only get this joined data from savings account only. So here I am writing filter condition where cad.account type. Okay, let me type this in small case, then you can easily identify. CAD dot account type is equal to account type of savings bank account. Select account type from account types where account name equal to savings bank account. Why I am using mixed case data? In my table, same type of data is there. That's why. S is capital, B is capital, A is capital, remaining are small. In my table, the data is exactly like that. That's why. So this is one condition, filter condition and join condition. So first which is executed, filter condition. First consider savings bank account types only. For that account type records, get join data from last two tables. So from this, what is the code? Account type it is giving SB. So CAD dot account type equal to SB. In this table, account type, consider account type only SB. From these two records, get data from two tables. So let me execute this query. Sorry, you will understand what is the expected output here. Kiran, Vinod, Rocky, they are maintaining savings bank account. That's why it is displaying these customer names, account numbers and account balances. In case, sir, what is the guarantee these people are maintaining SB account? To clarify your doubt, I am also selecting account type for this output. I want to select account type for this output. See, I want to select account type. In these two tables, where is account type? Here. So CAD dot account type also. Now execute the query again. Copy, come to here and then paste. Run it. With same customers data, same account numbers, same balances. Which account they are maintaining? Savings bank account. Hope you understand how to mix subqueries and joins. So little bit more practice you need. Here in the spool file, I am typing some questions. Practically be strong. Try yourself these questions. Get company name of product ID. Get company name of product ID. DMPLY. I don't know what is the process or what is the concept you will use, but you should write the answer. Correct concept you should select. Get employee names, department names, and department numbers of all clerks. Second question. Get products information from the company from the company IBM. Get customer names, account names with minimum balance 25,000. And also get books names from the author, so just suppose Wilson. Assume that there is a author Wilson. Wilson is he has written some books. Get all the books names from the author Wilson. See here, I am not giving the questions based on only subqueries or only joins. You can apply any concept, but you should identify according to requirement. You should identify which concept I have to use. One more. Get student names who joined in Oracle course. Get student names and trainer names who joined in Oracle course. Next one. Display employee name and designation from the department accounting. Get employee details who is working in a department where Adams is working. Next, get customer details along with account name of all customers from the city Delhi. So solve the questions. Try yourself. I hope you have the tables. Otherwise, into my drive, I will upload tables document also today. You can see the tables and write the queries. So whatever the pending documents, I will send right now only. Within 15 minutes, you will receive all pending daily notes. Okay, don't miss. Practice properly. If you have doubt, ask me in the next session. For tomorrow, there is no session since I am not. Maybe in time I am unable to join into the meeting. I am not sure about that. That's why let me cancel the session for tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, meet you again. So don't miss the classes until we will finish views. So today we discussed what is a single row subquery, what is multi-row subquery. One more type of subquery is there, correlated subquery. Yes, Vijay, I will share all the class notes documents. Class notes I will send to your mail directly. Okay? Yeah. And spool files and videos I will share with the drive link. Right? That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow there is no session. See you day after tomorrow. Thank you, all of you. Good night, all of you.